Hello guys, yes, this is live, and right now we are playing some real games and mini games. So I have to hide. Let me see. Where can we go? 4,000k. Okay, we gotta get this up to like 10,100. That's a record. People like button. Oh, guys, I know I sound like a girl. What? Yay. So I might get new videos up about how to make stuff. That's what I might do. Hello. So I need just maybe spawning. Oh snap. So yes, my favorite skin is that, and yes, this thing's hurting me. Oh god, hey. Toes of the lower, baby! It's so blurry. Oh god. There we go. It's good enough for now, but give it for that. Got it. Well, I'm gonna fix this to my real video. I'm gonna show you how to make a working microwave. I'm gonna do my own way. Alright, see you there. Okay, so I'm on my wood, and this is what I made. I was gonna finish off, so I'll show you the video of this, and then we'll start building the house. Well, first, I'm gonna turn the day. Oh, snap. Get back to my options on. So I got back, and I turned the day too, so let's move over here and do it, because I don't want to do my thing. So that was my first video. This is gonna be my first video doing this. So, yeah. Let's do this. We're gonna need, let's say, 1, 2, 3. Then here, three on each side, and then do this. I'll tell you when I get done. Four rows, and then 7 on the whole thing. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this. There we go. And instead of doing birch, we're gonna do, well, birch is gonna be counter, but for the floor, do whatever you want, but for this, I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. And let me get my thing, and now let's get birch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. Okay, so redstone coming in. So you will need silver. You'll see. Just put a hopper right there. Then wreck that, and then put a furnace. And I think we're getting all in. Yeah, right here. forgot about this word. Sorry, guys. Take out one more space. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. This is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long. 5 long. Sorry. And now we're gonna need 2 hoppers facing in like that, and a dispenser. Like crap, I messed up again. And I'm gonna dig deeper. So this is what you do. I'm just gonna have to see that. Get the power there. That. And put a block right there. Whatever you choose, do that. And then do that, and then do that, and then flick around and do that. And 1, 2. I'm sorry guys if you didn't do the 33 blocks. Then just take. This is why I like it, because whenever you do that, it comes as a light too. But instead of doing that, grab a note block, and then so you see, watch. Well, it needs to cook. So now we got done with that medicine stuff. Take that out. Let's just add 64 and then 2. Let that cook. Oh yeah, they're good. It's supposed to be down more. So sorry guys. Keep forgetting my own stuff. To the hopper back, and then I did the routine, to the stuff. And put it there. And then okay. I think I was correct, it's just I did it wrong. I gotta be back, I gotta go check my phone. Okay, I checked back and I got this, so let me just do that. And then now, just put on the good thing, and then put back your blocks that you used for the floor. And we're done, and you see how it works. Let me just build that up. You guys would like to see it, so yeah, wait a minute. Turn my volume up. There we go. Alright, so then it goes to building that and just put it back on finished. So now we gotta. Okay, if you're on console, you cannot do this. If you are on console, you cannot do this. So, well, this you could do, but still, I'll show you when you can't do it on console. So I'm gonna do it a different way. So I'm gonna need charcoal. No, just gonna go over. And if you like it go over and over, just leave a thing below if you want to go over and over. I'll make a little redstone thing. I'll add it to my thing. So yeah, we gotta. And then that's it. That's it. And now let's do this. Going to have to do this. So now we're gonna need an iron trapdoor. And find it. Snap. And we don't need a level. Don't forget about that. We don't need a level. And we're gonna need painting. And now we're gonna need this. So yeah, we're gonna have to add back our block there. So get our red heart inventory if you ever used it. And then just do that, and then, no. I still want to get my best one. Okay, took me a couple minutes to get that done. So, now you're just gonna add, seems you can't do this on console. See? Can't do that. Just want to tell you that on console. So console, this is the part you can't do. Anybody can do this, it's a console. Only, let's say, only, PC can do this. So, just take that, and then just put, like, well, yeah, let's put, like, let's say, desert over here, and then food over here, like this. Let me get it. There it is. So you can see that within you have food in there. And there we go. And then you can do that. And then there you go. So, this is how it's going to work. So the translator is going to work in here. And then you're going to, if you want to look good like mine, go ahead, plop one right there. And now, just throw in your food. Turn the lights on. It may take a while. And there it goes. And it should have made a sound. I don't know what the heck is wrong with my thing. But yeah, you put your food in here. Oh, we got that much food. So, hope you enjoyed that video. And see you next time. Bye.